Hey guys, do you hate when your Funai made VCRs such as your Sylvania, Emerson, Toshiba combos, etc. makes a loud rewind sound? Like this, for example? Don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So first, what you have to do is unscrew this bracket here. As you can see, I've already done that. So, and then it just lifts right out like so. Then what you want to do. Sorry about my finger being in the way, but I need my right hand. I'm a righty. Then you need to hold on. Sorry about that. Alright. So then you wanna take a very small screwdriver and unscrew this infrared prism, like so. Whoops. Kinda hard to do it with just one hand. So, okay, so that's out. And right here are these two little gears that cause the issue. So what happens is that there's no lubricant in them, and I'll show you how to re-lube that. It's actually the bearings, not the gears itself, that need to be lubed. So on these, there would be two little washers on there that you have to take off. But as you can see, I've already done that. So now what you can do is just lift both of these out like so. Okay, so now the final step. So we're gonna lubricate the bearings with this nice 3-in-1 motor oil. So what you do is you don't want too much. You just want a little drop of it. Like so. I'll just put it on the top so it can drip down. There we go. Do the same thing with the other. Now we can put the gears back on. Okay. This one. Actually, there's a way to do them. So, this one always goes on first, on the left side, right here. Then you can put this one on. And there we go. Now all you need to do is, put the, washers back on. Put this on gear number 1. Snaps into place. It's easier to put them back on than take out, because you need like a small tool for it. Take a look, make sure they're in okay. So yep, they're in. Now let me just get the other now what we do is put this infrared crystal on there. Prism, whatever you want to call it. Then you screw it back in, like so. Make sure it's in tight. Not too tight, you don't want to break the plastic. Not that it happened to me before, but I'm just letting you know just to be sure. Just a little bit. There we go, like that. So, now we will put the bracket back on by just putting these two screws that hold it, but I'm just gonna stop it right here and just do it off camera, and I can show you the results. Okay, so it tapes back in. Just let this there we go, focus. And then let's press rewind, and you'll hear you will hear a difference. Okay, that sound right there is just the tape itself, but I promise you, that's what, you won't hear that loud screeching noise anymore. I'm gonna eject. And that's how you fix a loud screeching VCR while it's rewinding. Well, on a Funai one, that is. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this very helpful, and, just, if you have a VCR that has the same problem, well, the, Funai ones, that is, with this mechanism, just, watch my video, and follow the steps I showed you, and, thank you guys for watching. Be kind of rewind.